see, Mr. Man, everything is okay. The house is in good condition, and this is a developed area. But as you know, with this kind of work, I must make sure that you're a correct tenant.
No problem, Mr. Tom. As you see me so, I'm serious for this house. I really need the house right now.
Correct, that's good. Now, what I like here be that I can tell that you're a very serious and honest human being. And I'll be straight with you from here on. Right now, I just need to confirm, say, you have everything it takes to live in this compound.
Yes, I have everything it takes to live in this compound. I'm a hard-working man.
I would like to know the kind of properties you have and what you'll be bringing into this compound.
No problem. I have just the normal things: my TV, my AC, my fridge, and my bed. For now. Later I'll try to buy more things into the house once I move in.
Oh, that's lovely. This is your TV. Is it a 40-inch or 50-inch or 32 inches?
Okay. Which one is all this question about my TV now? What do you want to do with my TV?
Come on, my friend. Don't get it twisted. I'm just trying to understand where you are coming from. Okay, it's my job to take these things down. You understand? I just need to take it down so I can understand where you are coming from.
No problem. My TV is a 50-inch.
And what about your AC? Is it 1 horsepower, 1.5 horsepower, or 2 horsepower?
It's a 1.5 horsepower. But I don't understand all this question where they ask me. I really don't understand all this question.
My brother, no bother. I know the reason why they ask you all these things.
May God not allow them, make them kill.
Come, Okoro. I don't tell me you don't come this compound again. What did they do for this compound?
See, Mr. Tom, you still say after everything we don't do me, the matter could just end like that?
My friend, look at my eye. If I close this eye, open up. If you don't come off from here, you see it I go do.
Mr. Tom, now waiting they happen for here now.
You see this, Mr. Tom? After he collect the list of all my property, I move into this compound. 2 days later, 9 armed robbers come rob me, carry all my properties go. Since then, I don't see Mr. Tom again.
I could have killed a lot.
Come, Okoro, you dey dare me, you dey dare lion. For this area, you know where I be. They hold me, Mr. Tom, Lagos guy. My name is my head, and me no disappear. You say I go do you. Hey, simple this so. Where all these men come out from? Mr. Tom, we don't get reports of all the bad things where you dey do for this area. Now the agent are no wahala. When you reach station, you go explain better. Hi, officer, I'm gonna take am easy. Say we fit talk for corner. We just talk for corner.
God have mercy.
My friend, shut up there. But yeah, move, Jerry. Move.
Thank you very much, my country people. I'm glad you enjoyed our program. Please hit like and subscribe to support our cause.